back to my YouTube channel. It's me, your Concha girl. So, our topic for today is all about unknown and unfamiliar word. The difference of word meaning, like the meaning of synonym, antonym, what it is, and what it is all about. So, arat na guys. Kung gusto nyo, let's watch this video till the end. So, this is the some strategies and techniques about the meaning of the unfamiliar word. This topic is some strategies and techniques that to get the meaning of unknown and unfamiliar words. Such techniques are arriving at the meaning of words through their roots and their root words, and affixes in identifying the derivation of words. Sorry. So, let's continue. To another strategy for assessing the words of meaning, you will learn to arrive at the meanings of the words context clues. You can deduce the meaning of a word. Even without looking it up in the dictionary, even hindi kayo tumitingin ng dictionary, mabibigyan nyo talaga ng meaning ang word kapag malaman nyo po kung ano ang root word ng isang salita. Like for example, root word ng abscon, the word abscon. Ano ang root word nito? So, ang root word nito is live hurriedly or secretly hide away from the evidence or the I secretly I hid from the victim pala. Hindi pala victim, sorry. So, let's continue. Clues are suggested by a word or words surrounding the unfamiliar term. So, these are the different clues of meaning of a word. So, number one, the word is, ang unang kukunin mo is the word of synonym. Diba, ang salita ng abscon may synonym siya. Kaya, ang uunahin yung pupulutin is the word of synonym para maintindihan mo ang salitang ito. So, I read the synonym meaning. A synonym is a word that is similar or has almost the same meaning as another word. This helps you to determine the meaning of a word. Often, the dictionary or the thesaurus gives such as meaning. So, ang dictionary magbigay din siya ng meaning for you to understand quickly or understand easily. So, this is the example of synonym or synonym. We try our best to prevent any form of discord in our group. So, we try to patch up disagreements right away. So, the word of this sentence is discord. So, disagreements is, so the sentence of, so we try to patch up disagreements right away. So, disagreements is synonyms to discord. Ang disagreements daw, the synonyms of discord. So, let's continue. With this word is the context. One learns that discord means. So, yun ang example. So, next is number 2 is ang unang anuhin mo sa para malalaman mo yung maintindihan mo para kukunin mo yung synonym is pangalawa is antonym. So, ito na pa ang antonym. The antonyms are words that have opposite meaning ang sa synonym is similar meaning. Yes, has almost the same meaning. But the antonym is opposite siya. Opposite siya sa sa synonym. Yung antonym opposite siya sa synonym. Kaya magkaiba ang meaning ng isang word. Kaya tayo to do, ingat tayo kasi mas tayo malilito kapag hindi natin maintindihan yung isang salita. So, they are useful in clarifying meaning and as alternative expression. So, this is the example of antonym. She is novice in the field of cooking, but her sister is a expert. So, another meaning sa novice is as signaled by the conjunction, but the student gets the idea of the meaning of novice. So, iko-continue ko po ang topic na ito for my next vlog kasi mas kapos tayo sa time. So, let's see and bye for now.